ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣತೈತದಲ್ಲ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಇದೆ
ಇದೆ
ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಹಾ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ
Yes.
okay, screen is visible. Okay, okay,
Yes,
good
sir.
afternoon everyone. So in the module 2 we have completed almost all types of problems. This road problem was pending. So here they have not given like values like this whatever we have solved, no. So in those things they have given something in the form of values like this chainage. Can you see the screen? Can you everyone see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
in
sir.
the all types of problems, we have given data like this. They have given chainage, they have given datum line, that is RLG, something, some data they have given, okay, na? Or some values they have given. But in this problem, what we are going to do here, the data is given in the form of diagram. Okay, you should not worry about this thing. This is very easy problem. Okay, now if you see the cross section, can I make it some little bit enlarged one, or is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it visible on you for you people?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me, Shri? Can you reply?
Yes, sir. I can see the screen, sir. Clear.
Value. Okay, I am asking you values.
Values. Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now, just I will start doing this one. In this one, they have given this formation line directly. Okay, na? So formation lines RLs also given in this way. So here, can you see this one? These things, these wherever I am moving the cursor, this line is given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So here, what they are doing, RL of formation they are given. Okay, so like this you have to see. RL of ground is also given. RL of GL they have also given. Okay, as the 30-meter interval, and they have given cutting and banking. Whether we will see RLF minus RLG is giving this value or not giving this value, we will see. Okay, na? So they have given in the this form. Apart from that, the normal calculation will be like this only, no problem. What calculation we wanted to do in between is that this part of the chainage. What is that chainage? Chainage 16 to chainage 17. That is in between this, there is a point of transfer from cutting to banking. I hope it is clear now. Is that okay? We will need to find out. So here cutting is 1.1, banking is 0.6. See here, 1, 2, 3 are the corresponding cutting points. The remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 are these 4 points. Okay, now these depth they have given. This is not a RL, these are the depths. Okay, na? So apart from that, you have also given side slopes in cutting, side slope in embankment, and turfing also you should calculate. Like that they have given. Slowly we will do that table for table values like this. Okay, na? What is the first one? Very important. What is that first one?
Table values like this. What is the first one? Very important. What is the first one? Table values like this. What is the first one? Very important.
Chainage, RL,
Table values like
RL
this.
of ground, RL of this one. Someone has on mic. Let's turn off. Okay. So here I will write on like this. Chainage. So chainage, initial chainage is what? 14. Try to concentrate on 15, 16, 17, okay, 18, 19, 20. So now what are the chainage? I will write 0. Interval is 30 meter. They have given 30 meter as the interval. So 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, and the last one is 180. Okay, na? So ground RLG, I will write it like this, RLG, and this I will write it as RLF. They have given directly. So like that they have given. RLG, can you read out 109.3? These are the values. I am taking RLG, this last column. 109.3, 109.1, 107.5, 107.1, okay, 104.4, 102.4, 102.3, 101.7. Okay, now these are the RL of ground existing condition. Now RL of formation, this column, this row we will take, what is that, 108. Okay, 108. Next is 107. Next is 106. Next is 105. And something they have written like this, I don't know, 103.5, I think. 103.5, we will see later. Okay, no problem. 103.5, and next is 103. 103, next is 102. Like that they have given. Now, what is the difference? Small d, we will do it like this. So RLF, this cell minus this cell. Okay, na? So minus 1.3, correct. So that is in cutting, minus n. Next is minus 2.1, that is also cutting, correct. Okay, na? We will see one by one. Minus 1.1, that is also cutting, correct. Okay, na? Next is 0.6. So here they have given it in embankment, so that is why plus value. Okay, na? Next is 1.1 embankment depth. Next is 0.7, that is also embankment, correct. Okay, na? Next is 0.3. All the things are correct now. There is some calculation is there. What is that calculation? Can you see here? At the chainage, what is this chainage? 16th point. That means 60 chainage. There is 1.1, and at 90 chainage, there is a embankment of 0.6. There has to be some chainage where depth is 0. How to calculate here? You can see at chainage 16, 1.1. At chainage 17, 0.6, because one is in cutting, one is in embankment. Okay, na? So now, how to calculate? Let it be this is x. This will be your 30 minus x. Using similar triangles, x divided by 1.1 equal to 30 minus x divided by 0.6. Are you getting this point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. Everyone, please give response. Okay, so x divided by 1.1 is equal to 30 minus x divided by 0.6. This is related to similar triangles. By solving this equation, x you are getting 19.41. That means from this point, if you go like this 19.41 meter, where depth is equal to 0, okay. So like that, they have converted 19.41, they have taken 20. Directly they have 20 because they have rounded up something. So I will insert one column here because 16 to 17 is there. No, just now I will insert one more column now. Okay, for everyone. So I will not write anything here. So I will write 80 here. Okay, 60 to 80. What is the depth here? There, what I should write? 0. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now, as usual, next column, mean dia we should calculate. Mean dia we should calculate. How to calculate mean dia? dm is equal to, sorry, the first row will be off. So I will take this one to the top. Step by step we will go.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
ಅದು ನೀವು 80 ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅದ್ ನೀವು ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೇನ್ರಿ? 19.41.
Yes.
20.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. Just converted into next one.
Yes.
Okay. So leave this column, row. So I will highlight this one. So take the average. That means average this one. This plus this divided by 2. Okay, na? So it is coming out to be minus 1.7. Correct. The minus 1.1. Similarly, if you use that one, this plus this divided by 6, minus 1.6. That is also correct. So next is minus 0.55. That is also correct. So like that you can do exercise. Okay, 0.5. Now in the problem, what is the total width they have given? In the problem? Width. Formation level width 12 meter. They have given what? 12 meter. So as usual, I will write 10 here. So for all the things, I will write 12. Okay, na? So we need to multiply B into dm. V into multiply B into dm. So B into dm, this column. This column. Very simple problem. Only there was the change in the diagram. Okay, na? So simply they have given like that into this. This is that half of the formula. Another half is SD square. So first I will write S here. Next I will write D square. D square. dm square, I'm sorry, dm square I will write. So for cutting, what is the side slope they have given? 1.5, correct? So for all these things, I have to write 1.5. 1.5 for these three things. For banking, these 4 cells, side slope is how much? 2. 2. So I have to write 2. Okay, like this I will write. Okay, like this. Okay, and d square. D square means dm square. So this into this only. Okay, yes, dm square. Okay, while squaring, the negative sign cancels off, but at the later end, we are going to put additional minus sign. So SDM square, this one, SDM square, the area of that triangle. So this into this, okay, na? So we are getting this one, 4.35, okay, 3.84, 0.45, 0.18, 1.45, 1. Correct. Now this column and this column we need to add to get the cross sectional. To get the cross section, this plus this. So I'm writing it here A, cross sectional area A. So I will add. Okay. So here what correction we have to make, because it is a Excel, we have to put a minus sign. Why? Because it is in cutting. Only first 3 cells I will do it for cutting. Okay, for everyone, because these are in cuttings, we know that it is in the negative sign. So this has also to be negative. While adding, they should add up their values. Okay, this plus this. Negative sign indicates it's just cutting. Okay, na? So like this. Is that okay? Area. Now, length is how much? You should tell me clearly. Length for this chainage is 30. Next chainage is 30. Next chainage is 20, because here the chainage is 80. Correct? Yes or no? That is the important point here. For next one, I should write 80 to 90, 10 only. The remaining things are 30, 30 only. Okay, these are the cross-sectional lengths. So another last column is V. So V in cutting is nothing but this into this into this. Simple. So I will just add only 3 things. Okay. Another V I will write it, that is for banking. So there I will write A into this. A into this. Okay now. So just I will drag. So summing up all the above quantities, these are the cutting quantities 1574, and these are the filling quantity. What happened to this? Okay, I have to drag. Okay, like this. Okay, 954 and 1574. Check whether they have given it in the same thing. Okay, 954 in banking, in cutting 1574. Our answers is also same thing. Okay, na? Negative sign indicates cutting here. Everything, for everyone, this problem is clear?
Yes, sir.
Only half of the problem is done. So we need to do the turfing. Turfing means the side slope we have to do. For side slope, that triangle we need to calculate, no? Sidewise. Yesterday class, everyone was present. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So here you can see the turfing, side turfing formula is there. 2 LD M square root of S square plus 1. Square root of S square plus 1. So this is the standard formula. So here I will just write calculation part 0, not 10. No? Total, what is the distance?
Sir, 30, sir. Chainage.
30, na? 0 to 30. 60, 90, and what is that? 120, 150, 180. Okay, like this they have to do. Now, in the problem, what they have done is they have calculated to only for banking quantity. Can you tell me why? What may be the reason? Only they have used from Chinese from 0 to 90. Why they have used like that? 0 to Chinese is not that one. From point 16 to this one. From this point, where is this? From this point to this, that banking is there. That one only they have calculated. There is not a big difference. Okay, na? So we will remove that point. We will remove that one. So from which point the things are starting? Here banking, no? 80 to 90. Yes or no? Yes or no, Baba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? This is the changes of banking. So that is what we are calculating the turfing. Now, yes, what I should write? Yes, for banking 2, no? Yes or no? 2 is there for banking, everything?
Yes, sir.
Banking is 2. Okay, so next, what is the mean area? DM. What is that DM? This one or this one? This one, no? Which one I should take? This is the DM I should take. This is the DM. Okay, na? What else you require? What else you require? What else you require in this formula? L is there. So I will write L. L is, for first one, it is 10. Okay. Next is 30, 30, 30. Correct? Yes or no? So from here to here, we have taken 20. So for banking, the remaining is 10. Banking remaining is 10. So
Yes,
this is DM. Okay. So remaining thing, if you put substitute, you have to do it in this formula. You have to do it in this formula. What is that formula? 2 into L into DM square of S square plus 1. Okay. So I will write SQRT first. This formula equal to SQRT square root of S square. I have to do this square. That means I will directly write it 4. Okay, na? Plus 1. I will close this one. The remaining thing is into 2 into L is this cell into DM is this cell. Okay. Yes, completed. Okay, so like that you can use that formula, you can drag it. The total value you're going to get is 315. Is that okay for everyone? Side turfing and longitudinal values.
Yes, sir.
For everyone, I am asking. So many people are there. So many people are there. Just everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Sachin, Sridhar, Shreya,
Yes, sir.
Ratandeep, Sanju. Everyone,
Yes,
it is
sir.
clear. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So that was the problem. Okay. So now we will go to this problem. I will just give that presentation there. Now on the screen, what you are seeing?
I think so. Now it is.
What part you are seeing there?
And manual.
Manual, no? So here that was asked. This was the last problem, what we have not done. Okay, na? So can you read here? Estimate the quantities of following items of work. Earthwork, cement concrete, first class brick masonry, pointing, 20 mm plaster, RCC slab. So all those things we can start doing. See here, it is a rectangle portion. So in X direction, they have given width and cross section. In another direction, they have also given the cross sectional details. Okay. So now can you tell me what is the width of excavation? What is the width of excavation?
190, sir. Sir,
190.
sir, zoom ಮಾಡಿ.
Pardon?
So zoom the screen a little bit.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now from the cross section, just try to get it. Just try to get it. Now, if you see a plan like this, one side they have given it how much? 300 centimeter. 300 centimeter means what? 3 meter, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 190 centimeter means how much this one?
1.9 meter.
Okay, this is the plan. So total excavation quantity is nothing but from this ground level to this bottom level. So how much is that length? So you can understand that 60 centimeter plus 120 plus 50. Okay, and where is that? Some more thing is there, plus 40
plus 20.
How much it is coming?
290, sir.
290. And this one they have also considered. What is that consideration of 10 centimeter manhole cover? So from here to here they have considered 10 centimeter. So I repeat, this 10 plus 60 plus 120 plus 50 plus 40 plus 20 centimeters. So how much it is coming?
3 meters.
3 meter. So multiplying this length 3 and 1.9, they have taken it from the cross section. 3 and 1.9 depth, we have seen it 3 meter. So are you getting 17.10?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For excavation, the dimensions will not change. Sorry, for the PCC, that bottom concrete, the dimension will not change. Only there will be change in its depth. Correct? Only there is a change in its depth. So change that one into 0.2 here. So change that one into 0.2. The plan dimensions are going to same and only change the dimensions. So that is why you are getting 1.14. Everyone, is this point clear? I require answers or reply from everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. What is the next item they have asked? Shall we go for brick masonry? Which item they have calculated? Brick masonry only they have calculated. They have calculated using a long wall, short wall method. But for us, central line method is very, very easy. Central line method is very, very easy. Now, in dimension here is 200. In dimension here is 100. So we have to do separate 3 sets of brick wall. What is that brick wall? This is the first stage. This is the second stage. This is the third stage. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? Okay, na? Okay. There will be some difference. We will see one by one. Okay, na? So just I will draw like this. I will draw each. Okay, like this. I will draw bigger rectangle and another smaller rectangle. Okay, na? This is the plan for only first stage. I am telling. First, I will calculate the center to center distance from all around. Okay, na? All around, and you tell me the answer there only. Okay, na? First center to center, I am going to tell. From here to here 2, and here to here is 90, and the width is how much? 40, na? 0.4. Okay, I will just start doing from here. Add 2 plus 0.4
2.4
plus 0.9
3.3
plus 0.4
3.7
plus 2
5.7
plus 0.4
6.1
plus 0.9
7.
7
plus 0.4.
7.4.
7.4 is the center to center. Multiply the thickness, that is 0.4. And what is the height of that element from here to here? 50.
Yes, sir.
No, 50 plus you have to add 40 because this pipe is only passing.
0.9.
So you add 0.9. So how much it is coming?
2.664.
2.664 is the first stage concrete. First stage concrete. Now we will come to second stage. Second stage, okay, how many in this same formula we can use second stage. Inside to inside everything is same only. Only wherever I have multiplied 0.4, no, there you should add 0.3. That is the thickness, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will start adding 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.9 plus 0.3 plus 0.9, sorry, plus 2 other, sorry,
Plus 2. Yes.
plus 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.9 plus 0.3.
7, sir.
Exactly 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. 7. Width of that wall is 0.3. Height of that wall, how much? Second stage height?
120.
1.2. 1.2.
1.2.
Okay.
2.52.
2.52. This is about second stage. Now third stage. Third stage there is some confusion. Okay, now here the cross section is 90. Here it is given as 60. We don't know what to do. Okay, now no, don't worry. We will follow this one only. If it is coming more, no problem. Okay, like this difficulties will be there. Simply you add 2 plus 2 plus 0.9 plus 0.9. How much?
5.8, sir.
5.8.
Yeah.
5.8 ಗೆ 4 ಸಲ 0.2 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.8 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 4.8 ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾತನ ಇದು? 2 plus 2 0.9 plus 0.9. How much? 5.8. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲೋ?
Yes, sir.
5.8 ಗೆ 4 ಸಲ 0.2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
4.64.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂದು 5.8 ಬಂದೈತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಸಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳೇನ. 5.8 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 0.8 ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ.
6.6, sir.
6.6, sir.
6.6. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಇವ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸಲ 2 ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 2 ಸಲ 0.9 ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇದೊಂದು ಓಕೆನಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 4 ಸಲ ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. 4 ಸಲ ವಾಲ್ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಯಾವಪ್ಪ? 20 20 20 20 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 80 ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? 2 plus 2 4, 0.9 plus 0.9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5.8, 5.8 plus 0.8, so 6.6. So width is 0.2, height is 0.6. How much?
So height is 0.6.
0.6.
0.792.
0.792,
sir.
79.
0.792.
ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir. 0.792.
All the 3 stages you add.
$5.97.
Okay, 5.97. How much they have given?
5.65.
Okay, there will be some difference. Okay, na? The long wall short wall method is there. That means there will be some difference. Okay, no problem. Okay, pointing inner surface. That means here they are doing the pointing, all the inside. They are inside. So just add the bottom perimeter into height. It should be in square meter, pointing or plastering. So bottom perimeter is 2 plus 2 plus 0.9 plus 10. That means 5.8. 5.8 5.8 is the perimeter of that bottom, this one, and just multiply with the height. So total height is 120 plus 50 plus 40. How much?
So 300 ಒಳಗ 30 minus ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು 270 ಸರ್.
300 ಒಳಗೆ 70 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
30 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಇದು ಮತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಸೊ 270 ಸರ್ ಹೈಟ್.
How? 270 or 170?
Sir, total height is 300, sir.
But
so minus that concrete slab of thickness 20 and that cap above 10.
No. So here there is some problem here. One side it is bigger part, one side it is smaller part. So that is why I am telling. If you see that plan, you will understand here. There is something is not a perfect rectangle shape. Okay, na? So that is why first pointing I am calculating only for this bottom portion. Only for this bottom portion I am doing it. Later this top portion I am going to do. Okay.
So 210, sir.
Or else you can consider something like total inside to inside, no problem, because in this cross section, if you see, that portion is not seen. Okay. So that is why if something extra is also there, don't worry, just do the total height only, inside to inside height. How much is that inside to inside height? In the total 3, if you deduct this 2, if you deduct this 20 and deduct this 10, that is correct. 2.7. 2.7 is the total vertical height where you are going to do pointing or plastering. Okay, na? 2.7. So in total 3, you are deducting 10, you are deducting 20. So remaining is 3 minus 0.1 minus 0.2. So total height is 2.7. What was the bottom perimeter? Bottom
5.8.
5.8. Just multiply these two.
15.66.
Okay, they have taken 11.66. 11.66. Why that problem has occurred is here that portion is reduced here. So that is why I wanted to calculate only for this portion first and next the top portion second. I hope you have understood now. Okay, so let us do that split wise only. So I will take ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣಂತ. ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋನು, ಇದನ್ನ 2.7 ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೀಗ. ಇದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ 5.8 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದು 120 plus 50 plus 40, that means it is 210. Just multiply 5.8 into 2.1.
12.18, sir.
12.18. This is up to this level. Above this roof, you just add 4 times 60. How much?
240.
240 na? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿದ್ರದ 2.4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆತ. ಹೌದಾ? ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ 2.4 ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಟ್ 0.6 ಅದಪ್ಪ. ಅವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ.
1.44.
1.44. ಸೊ 1.44 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ?
ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್?
ಆಗಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಾಟಮ್
2.4 ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ?
12.18 ಸರ್. 12.18
ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ 12.18. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ತೆಳಗಿಂದ, ಇದ್ರದ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದ? ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದ? ಅದು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ 0.6 ಅದ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ 0.6 ಅದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟದ? ಇದು 0.9 ಐತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು 0.6 ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್, ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಏನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದ ನಮ್ಗೆ? 0.9 ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 2 ಸಲ 0.6, 2 ಸಲ 0.9 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
3 ಸರ್.
3 ಬಂತು. 3 ಇಂಟು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. 3 ಇಂಟು 0.6
1.8.
1.8 ಅನ್ನ ಈ ತೆಳಗಿಂದ ಏರಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 13 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್.
13.98.
13.98 ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಿಯರರ್ ಬಂತ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಲಪಡ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ದೋಸ್ತ. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದು 12.18 ಬರ್ತದೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಅದ. ಬಾಟಮ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ನೋಡ 2 + 2 + 0.9 + 0.9 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? 5.8 ಆತ. 5.8ಗೆ ಹೈಟ್ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳತ್ತೀವಿ? ಫ್ರಮ್
ಸರ್ ಅದು 12 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. 12 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು 12 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಾ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 120 + 50 + 40
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ.
210 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. So you have to minus the 12 centimeter slab also, RCC slab.
This okay, that thickness we should deduct, that you are telling. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, so you leave this one. How much it is? 12 centimeter na? So just calculate 120 + 50 + 40 - 12.
Sir, 198 mm or 1.98 meter.
1.98 ಬಂತ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿದೆ. 2.1 ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ 5.8 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಇಂಟು ಹೈಟ್ 1.98 ಬಂತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು?
11.48.
11.48 is the bottom pointing surface area. Now the top was 1.8, that is correct only, 1.8. So 11 + 1, 12. 12 plus this 0.8, 0.4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು? ಮತ್ತು 13 ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್.
ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡು, ನಾವು ನಡೀತೈತಿ. ಏರಾರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So now this is what? Precast slab roof, concrete. Can you calculate this precast slab? Simple, no? Precast slab, this quantity. Dimensions, can anyone tell me what is the dimension, length and width?
So 170 sir, ಇದು wide.
170 means how you have calculated?
190 - 10 - 10.
Wait. 200 plus minus 60 plus 10. I repeat, 200 minus 60 plus 10. How much?
150.
Correct? 150. 150 in this direction. In that direction, it is full 0.9 only. In that direction, it is full 0.9 only. How much?
1.35.
1.35 is the area into its thickness, 0.12.
0.162.
0.162, that's all. Okay. What length they have taken over here? ಏನೇನು ತಗೊಂಡಾರೋ ಇವ್ರು? ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ದೊಳಗೆ ಕಾಣತೈತೆನ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಏನು
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಏನೋ ಆತದು. 1 second. Suddenly it has got shut on. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಸರ್ 190 -10 -10 ಮತ್ -10 -10 ಹೋಗಿಲ್ರಿ
ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಯಾವುದು
ಸರ್ ಅದು
190 ಇದ
ಪ್ರೀಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ
ಇದು
ಹಾ
ಹ್ಮ್
ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಇದ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ವಿಡ್ತ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್
ಈ ಕಡೆ
ನಾಟ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ಹಾ
ಹ್ಮ್
190 -10 -10 because that offset.
Oh, I got it. So I've taken 90, no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That is the problem. So you should take 190. Correct. Very good. Just note concentration ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Okay. So change the dimension. What I should write here in the LBD? Length is
1.5, sir.
It's okay. Width is
190 -10 -10.
1.7.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದ ಇಂಟು ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ 0.12 0.12 1.5 1.7 0.12 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಹಂಗಲ್ರಿ ದಟ್ 1.7 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ
ಓಕೆ
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪೈತೆ ಸರ್ 190 -10 -10 ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದು and again we have to do -10 -10
ಬಾಬಾ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಹೋದಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಹಾ ಸರ್
ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 90 + 30 + 30 ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ
that will come 1.5 sir
1.5
so 1.5 into 1.5 into ಇದು
0.12
yes sir
ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಈ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ವಾತಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತ್ರಿ ಇದು
so volume 0.27 ಬಂತ್ರಿ
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸಾಕು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅವರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾರ ನಾವು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ರ ಫುಲ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮುಚ್ಚುವಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇವ್ರೇನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ ಅರ್ಧ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕತ್ತಾರ ಅರ್ಧ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕತ್ತಾರ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಓಕೆನಾ like this they are not going to give they are going to give this way I hope now it is clear what is happening here once that brick walls are completed then only above the top they are going to give the RCC roof RCC slab so this type problem you expect that is not a big issue okay na is that okay for everyone so like that they are going to give like this brick wall complete and above that you have RCC slab or RCC roof correct this may be circular this may be rectangle this may be square depends upon this if it is square L into L if it is rectangle L into B if it is a circle what you should write for that area of the slab pi into R square or pi D square by 4 that's all okay na so this type of incomplete data they are not going to give is that okay for everyone
yes sir
for everyone baba ಏನರ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
Yes, sir.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ what you people are doing sir shall we start this module everyone sir what happened to others shall we start this next module ಶ್ರೇಯಾ ಸುನೀಲ್ ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರು ಏನಾತ
ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ಯಾಕೆ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಒಮ್ಮೆ?
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಏನಾತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋನು ಬೇಡ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು.
ಸರ್ ಅದ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ದಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸರ್.
ಯಾವ್ದು
ಅದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದ
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇದ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತಿ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಏನ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋಡದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳತ್ತೇವ?
ಇದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಇದರಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದ ಓಕೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ರವ್ರ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ ವಾಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕವ್ರ. ಹಿಂಗ ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀ ಯಾವ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ? RCC ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ದ ಮಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಕತ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಕೊಟ್ರ ಫುಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ದೊಳಗೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣತೈತಿ? ಈ ಕಡೆ RCC ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು, ಹೌದಾ? RCC ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟೈತಪ್ಪ? ಇದು ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 200 ಮೈನಸ್ 60 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಿದ್ದು? 1.5 ಬಂತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರು? ಯಾರದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು?
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಕೇಳಿದ್ದ ಯಾರು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ದು ಹೇಳಕ.
ನಾನೇ ಸರ್.
ಸಂಜು ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ ನೋಡಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ನೋಡ. ಈಗ ಬರೀ RCC ಅಷ್ಟ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋ ನೀನು? ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದದ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ ನಿಂಗ? ನಾ ಹೇಳೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾತನ? ಒಂದ್ ನಿನಗ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ ಹೈಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಹೌದು ಅಂತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿ ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀನು ಹೇಳ?
ಹೌದು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್. ಆದ್ರೂ
ಪೂರ್ಣ ಕೇಳ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ ಡೌಟ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾವು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೊಂಟೇವಿ. ಏನ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ? ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಉದ್ದ ಐತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೋರ್ಸನಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಾಗ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಯಾನ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದಲ್ಲ 2 ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿನ್ಗ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. ಹೌದಂತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಂತಿ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ? ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಐತಿ ಅಂತ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತ. ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೀ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ 2 ಅದಾವ, 2 ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತುಂಬ್ಯಾವ. ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ಇದ್ರ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಐತಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಐತಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತ. ಬಟ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಅದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ದಾಗ ಅವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್. ಸೊ ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾವ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳವ? ನೀ ಹೇಳ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರತೈತಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಈ ತರ ಇದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಈ ತರ ಇದನ್ನು ಫುಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಐತಿ ನಿನ್ಗೆ, 2 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಹಂಗ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ.
ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. ಅಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ 200 minus 60 plus 10 in one direction, which is in the longer direction. In the other direction, we are assuming it to be the full length of 190. So that I am calculating as what? This distance into this distance as L into B, and its thickness we are taking it from the cross section as 0.12. This assumption ಬರೆದು ನೀ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಹಂಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. ಏನಾರ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮೀಪ ತರುವಂತ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಂದಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಂಗ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಇದು ಹಂಗೈತಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೂ ಸಹಿತ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದೇರ್? ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ಬಾಬಾ assumption. You are going to write it as assumption or what? Sanju.
ಅಜ್ಯೂಮ್.
ಹಾ ಸಂಜು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಿನಿ? ಹೌದಾ ನಾವು ಗಾಯಬಾದ ಸಂಜು.
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವೇ ಇದ್ರಾಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೋ.
ಅದೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 3 ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ನಾ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು we are assuming that this is this length and it is up to full length in this cross section because it is not given in the cross section. ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮುಂದಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೇನೈತೆ ಡೌಟ್?
ಏನಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಒಂದ ಡೌಟ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಏನಾರ ಡೌಟ್ ಅದಾನ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಾರ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್?
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಆಪ್ಟೇಕರ್ ಏನಾರ ಹೇಳು, ಬ್ಯಾಸರ ಆಗತೈತಿ. Okay, so today continue or next class we will take?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
Next class, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ 2. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಯಾವೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಂಗೆ ಅದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ.
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರತನ್ ದೀಪ್, ಸಚಿನ್, ಚನ್ಬಸು, ಚನ್ಬಸು. Okay, then you can leave this classroom by giving the attendance, USN and name. So in the next class, we will start with the module number 3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay now. Yes, thank you very much. Write the attendance. Yes, you can leave the meeting just by writing the attendance. No problem. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾರ ಬೇರೆದೇನಾರ ಕೇಳೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. No problem. ಶ್ರೇಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನಾರ ಡೌಟ್ ಐತಿ?
ಏನಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನಾರ ತಿಳಿದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಏನ ಹಂಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಟ್ಟು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ತಿಳಿದ್ರಿ. ತಿಳಿದೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಅಭಿಷೇಕ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಈಸಿ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವು, ಏನದಾವು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈಜಿ ಐತ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಸಿಐತಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬಾಯ್.